Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create notes with the S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we're going to do is take out the S Pen over here. So let's take it out. There we go. Now, let me actually put down the device. Over here, we have the button on the S Pen. We need to press and hold this button. So press and hold it, and then while you're holding it, you want to tap the screen twice with the S Pen. So press and hold and then tap twice. This will open the notes, and now we can start writing something. There we go. We can create memos like that. Later on, if you want to simply go back, then you can tap on this arrow over here, and there we go. We have the handwritten note. And that's pretty much it. However, I'm gonna also show you some settings. So if you open the settings, then if you scroll down to advanced features and go to S Pen, then over here you also have the option to choose what should happen when the S Pen is taken out of the device. So over here we can tap and then choose create note. Now let me actually put the S Pen back inside the device for a second. And if I take it out now, then it should create the note. So if you always want that to happen when you take out the S Pen, then surely you can do that over here. And in addition to that, we also have the option to use this gesture that I showed you at first. So with pressing and holding the button and then tapping twice. If you don't want this gesture to be enabled, then you can tap on this slider over here in order to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!